Welcome to the LiFi Net integration tutorial. On this tutorial we're going to check how to integrate our LiFi Net to any lamp. So first, you're going to receive a dongle, a driver for the lamp, and you will integrate it to any lamp. In this occasion we're going to use this one as an example. The dongle is already integrated, so we don't have to work with it. For the driver, we can check that we have two clips. The one on the left is the one that we're going to use to connect to the driver, and the one on the right, we're going to connect it to the lamp. As we can see, we cut the cable that is between the driver and the lamp, so we can mount our LiFi Net. First, I'm going to connect the lamp. As I told you, the right clip is for the lamp. It's important to notice that it has two holes. The one on the left is the positive, and the one on the right is the negative. So we're going to connect the lamp. And you only have to push until you feel it's secure. As we can see, it's secured. Now we are going to connect the driver of the lamp on the clip that is on the left. We're going to follow this rule that on the middle we have the positive and on the corners we have the negative. We're going to push until we feel it's secure. Now we have our LiFi Net connected to our lamp. You will also receive this little cover. With this, you can cover both clips. And you will push until it is secure. Now we can test our LiFi Net. So now that we have our LiFi Net integrated with our lamp, we're going to proceed to connect the Ethernet cable to the LiFi Net. And now we can test it. First, we're going to power up the lamp. And then we're going to connect our dongle to the computer. As we can see, the LEDs in the middle of the dongle have turned on. It means that we have an internet connection. We can check on our computer that effectively we have an internet connection. To integrate our LiFi Net to another kind of lamps, we need to check first what kind of lamp is. For example, this one. We have that it has this metal cover which can create some noise on our LiFi Net. So for this case, we're going to proceed to connect it to the LiFi Net. How are we going to do this? Well, first of all, we're going to take just the cover and we're going to connect to our LiFi Net another cable. On the same hole that we have the negative of the driver, we're going to connect this cable. How are we going to integrate it to our cover plate? Well, it's quite simple. What we recommend you to do is that this cable, you put it in a place that is just touching with the cover plate. By doing this, you're going to put the ground of the driver on all the cover plate. It will avoid to make noise for the LiFi net. And then the only thing that you have to do is close your lamp with your LiFi net integrated. So now, if you want to disconnect the LiFi net to your lamp, you're going to remove the little cover. And now, you have to push on this part here if you want to remove this cable. Just with a little pressure and you will be able to take it out. And it will be the same for all of the cables. To finish with this video, it's important to remind you that if you want that the LiFi net works properly, we recommend you to put a good distance between the dongle and the driver. If you put it too near, it will cause some problems and you will not have internet. Another thing that is important to remind is not to block the dongle or the sensor of the LiFi net. Following this, you will be able to put your LiFi net to work properly. Thank you for watching the video.